Hola, hey, what's up guys? John here, buenas tardes. And today I'm gonna help you guys avoid a common scam that these banks and ATMs do in other countries. And I'm gonna show you because they get you on the exchange rate and a conversion fee that a lot of you don't know, and you feel like you have to be forced to accept the conversion rate and the markup that they're doing. So I'm gonna show you guys how to avoid that and get the most for your money when you do the withdrawal. And like I said, if you don't have a Charles Schwab or Fidelity account that will reimburse you for all the ATM fees, doesn't matter where in the world you are, they'll reimburse you, and it doesn't matter how much the ATM fee is, they'll reimburse you. So I've suggested that in multiple videos for you to get a Fidelity card or a Charles Schwab account, and those two banks will reimburse you. Just transfer funds from your regular bank, Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, just transfer funds over electronically to your, Fidelity or Charles Schwab, and then you'll be able to withdraw and get money at the highest exchange rate for free anywhere. You won't have to use the exchange houses where they charge commission or the exchange rate's really low. This is where you're going to be able to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. How to avoid getting scammed by it. This is a bank ATM right here. This is a HSBC, which is a worldwide corporate bank. It's not just a Mexican bank. So even these guys are doing it, and then all the other banks are doing it, and then the little independent ones, like especially the ones you see like in the club and stuff, they're notorious. They're going to charge you like $10 ATM fee, and then on top of that, they're going to get you on the conversion, and then they'll also get you on the conversion and then the markup, they call it. So I'm going to show you on the screen right now. I'll walk you through. I'll withdraw like $200 just to show you and see what I'm talking about so you can avoid this. All right. Hola, what's up guys? Had to interrupt the video to bring you guys an important announcement. A lot of you guys watching, I've been receiving tons of messages from guys that are virgins, that haven't been laid yet, that want to get laid, and maybe guys that have already been laid, but they're not getting access to girls where they're at, so they want to get laid still. You know, these guys are getting taken advantage of, reaching out to escort, strippers, or whatever they're reaching out to, wasting all that money. If you really need help that bad and you want to do it that bad, reach out. I'll help you guys. We'll discuss whatever it is that you're facing. It can also be other stuff. Maybe you're heartbroken and need advice or need something to help you get over that heartbreak. Maybe you have a wife or a girlfriend where you feel like she's cheating on you or things just aren't the same. I can help you analyze the situation and get over it. I've gone through a lot of relationships already with girls from all over the place, all over the world, different places, you know, so I've seen all the things that they do. Been in long-term relationships, so I know what a marriage feels like. I know what divorce feels like. I haven't been divorced, but in a long-term relationship to where I felt like divorce pretty much. And so I've seen a lot of people go through it, and I can help you guys that are going through these type of things too. If you need help, maybe like going to another place, I can put you in touch with people in different places in part of my network, or find people that are viewers as well that can help. That's why I'm doing this, to get the word across of the things that I can help you with. Not just that, if you own a business and you're accepting credit cards and you're still paying the fees, you don't got to pay the fees no more. You're pretty much just throwing your money in the trash. You're better off just using it on yourself, splurging, taking a vacation, enjoying like this in a pool in a tropical location somewhere where there's nothing but palm trees around and tropical birds. That kind of stuff where the weather's perfect. You could be doing that instead. Or if you have some friends or family that own businesses that are still wasting their money paying the fees, I'll be able to help. So I can help with a number of things, and I'll be glad to, put you guys in the right direction. Same if you guys want to go to Costa Rica, I got friends out there. Cancun, I got friends down there. Philippines, I got a lot of friends out there. So you guys need help on any of that stuff, reach out. I'll be glad to put you in contact, so that way you can have a better experience all around. And like I said, if you need help with any of the stuff that I mentioned before, let me know. I'll be glad to help. All right, talk to you guys soon. Adios. All right, so you're gonna put your card in the ATM machine. Then it's gonna tell you if you can understand Spanish, and it's in English too. Then you enter your PIN, and then to do that, then you choose Retiro de Efectivo, which is cash withdrawal. You choose checking account, cuenta de cheques, and then you choose the amount. I'm gonna type in another amount because I want to get, $200, which is like, right now at the exchange rate, like 3,500 pesos. Yeah, 3,500. And then is that right? But yes. This one just happens to have both English and Spanish. And do you want a receipt? Yes or no? I'm gonna put no. Do I want to donate for their cause, for whatever this Causes, no, I don't want to donate. And then do I agree to the fee, which is 75 pesos, which is like $4 or $5? I'm gonna agree to the fee, which Charles Schwab and Fidelity are gonna reimburse. And here's the most important part right here. Here's the part where I'm talking about. Right now, the exchange rate is around 17.5 to 18. And so they're asking you, and then they don't show you the markup. Sometimes it says markup right here, but it says the amount that I would do, 3,574, including the fee. And then here's their exchange rate, which I can get from the bank right now at around 18. So I'm losing this much, losing $12.26 for this transfer. So this is where you're not gonna accept. They make it look like makes it look like, do I need more time? Yes. It makes it look like you're forced to accept this. And I see a lot of guys when I'm standing in line for the ATM, they are accepting this fee. And then I try to tell them, hey man, don't do that. Decline, you have to decline the conversion. And then that's where you're gonna get the exchange rate from your bank. And then your bank will do it. And then you'll see when you go withdraw from your bank or check your bank that you got the real exchange rate from Visa or whatever the bank is giving it to you. It's always gonna be higher than these ATMs. And so do I want another transaction? No, I wanna finish. And then you just get your card back. And that's it.
You know, I appreciate the outreach, the comments, and the emails. And if you can, share these videos with a friend, or also at the very least, just give it a like. It doesn't cost anything or take more than a half a second for you to click the like, because then what it does when you click like, YouTube will suggest the videos to other people that have the same interests as you. So that's kind of like how the whole algorithm works. And so that goes and helps a lot too, you know, like if you're not writing comments or sending donations or whatever, pressing like and writing a comment helps greatly as well, you know, because then YouTube will know that you find it useful, and that it'll start suggesting, it'll know that it's a legit video that can help somebody, and it'll start suggesting it to other people that are kind of like watching the same things that you're watching.
So that's it, guys. Quick video, just because this happens a lot, and this is just not just in Mexico but in other countries. I've seen it where the ATM machine will offer you the exchange rate on the screen, so don't fall for it. It's a common scam. Also, the thing is, when you go buy stuff, if they offer you at the register to do the currency conversion in dollars or in the local currency, always choose the local currency so that your card issuer or your bank will do the currency for you, currency conversion for you, and hopefully you have a credit card or a debit card that will not charge you a foreign transaction fee. So like this debit card from Charles Schwab and Fidelity, they don't charge a foreign transaction fee either, so you can buy it and get the highest exchange rate wherever they accept credit cards. As long as they're not charging you an extra fee to use a credit card, you're better off to use your debit credit card that doesn't charge a fee to get the highest rate. And always choose the local currency. Do not have them converted to dollars, because you're going to get charged the lower exchange rate and get charged way more. And the same thing, it's pretty much the same thing they do right here, where they ask you if you want to do the same thing. So this should save you guys a lot of money, especially, you know, like in the clubs and casinos and all those things. They're gonna get you because they know you need money right then and there, and that's where the highest fee is for withdrawing money. All right, hope that helped. Write in the comments if you've done the ripoff. Oh, here's another thing while I'm here in the ATM machine. A lot of people think that when it says the amount, they think it's in dollars, so they're like, whoa, $3,000. No, it's not it's in pesos, or the local currency, even though there's a dollar. People mistake it because there's a dollar sign next to it. So it is in the local currency. It's not going to be pulling out in dollars. So I've had people that wanted to pull out $300, then they ended up putting in 300. They only got 300 pesos, which is only like 20 bucks, you know, instead of the $300. So that's another tip for you guys. All right, hope you guys found that helpful. I'll talk to you guys soon. Adios, pura vida, bye. Guys, it's finally here. I got the Jedi group open, and I got a website put together for all you guys that can reach out to me instead of sending me an email. The website's 420john69.com, and pretty much everything you need is listed out on the links above and the links below. So if you're interested in the Jedi group, if you're interested in getting help with a trip, relationship advice, credit card service, real estate, affiliate programs, pretty much anything that I'm talking about, business, investments, it's all on the website, so that way you guys can help me help you a lot faster. That way I don't miss out on any of the emails, and it'll help me stay in touch with you guys. Even if something happens to the channel or the Instagram or whatever, if everything gets taken down or blocked by the platforms, I'll still have a way to get in touch with you guys. So go ahead and go to the website and pick whichever link that you need help on and fill out the information, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Look forward to seeing you there. All right, talk to you guys soon. Adios, pura vida. All right, guys, so I'm putting together these groups, my Jedi Master Inner Circle. So there's gonna be 2 levels to it. You're gonna have the Jedi Masters, which are the guys that are making 100K or more per year at least, and have been well-traveled, have a lot of experience, and know of different places that we can go to experience and find beautiful girls and be able to share amongst everyone and give advice to other people as well. And then we're also going to have the young Jedis that maybe aren't as experienced or just starting out in life, or are young and don't really have much money, but they want to live this lifestyle. They're being inspired, and they want to start and learn and be able to communicate with each other. So that'll be the second level. And of course, the Jedi Master level will be in both, so that you'll have the Jedi Masters also helping the young Jedis by answering questions for people that are new. And then the Jedi Masters, what we're gonna do is have like trips maybe once a year where all of us Jedi Masters come together and go to a destination where we'll be able to experience all of this together and share and network and share financial advice, how to make money. It'll be how to make money, how to deal with breakups, how to meet girls. Pretty much everything that you're seeing on my videos that I'm teaching, we'll be able to network and do it in person, and put together these groups and meetings for people, and kind of be me as the connector, connecting all of you guys together, because I'm getting all these messages from people from all walks of life in different parts of the world. And a lot of you guys tell me that you don't have anyone to share these experiences with, or share your stories and share all the knowledge that you've accumulated throughout the years. And once you communicate with me, it's like you're spilling your entire story because you're so excited to tell someone finally, because there's no one else you can't tell your friends, can't tell your family, and there's no one you can ask questions. There's no one you can share these intimate details with. And so I want to bring you guys together with other like-minded people that are watching my videos and kind of want to live this lifestyle as well. And let me know which Jedi Master or Jedi part level in the inner circle that you want to be in. There's going to be either the young Jedi or the Jedi Masters, and the Jedi Masters is going to be for you guys to join. That's the screening process. And then we got the young Jedis for $50. That way it's affordable. And the is to screen out. Obviously, if you're doing well, isn't much. And then it keeps out the people that aren't serious. It's kind of like how to weed out the people that aren't really real. And of course, there's going to be moderation, and there's going to be like content moderation, where I moderate who gets in and interview the people that want to come in to make sure they're real. And that way, everyone that's in the group is actually there because they want to be, and that they share this similar outlook on life and want to live this type of life and level up even more, make more connections, make more friends, kind of like me and Tim, the 72-year-old that you've been seeing interview, and other people you haven't seen in my videos that I hang out with. It'll be kind of like being into the inner circle and make these kind of bonds that will last a lifetime, and these kind of memories that we can share together and have some awesome adventures together. You guys will be invited once you pay the entrance fee, and then we'll get you in. All right, guys, that's it. Adios, pura vida. You say adios, baby.
Adios.
Bye. Well, guys, if you coming down here to Cancun, Playa del Carmen, I have friends down here as well that can take care of stuff. If you're headed down to Costa Rica, I got friends in Costa Rica that can help take care of the stuff, help assist with transportation and activities and lodging and things like that. And then the business that helped me live this life is the credit card service business. So if you own a business and you're still paying the credit card fees, you don't have to do that anymore. Stop wasting your money. You could be enjoying it every month instead of like whatever you're paying to the bank, $1,000, $2,000 to the bank every month. You take it and go on a vacation. Look at the ocean, how beautiful it is down here, and the weather's perfect. It's so early in the morning, I'm already sweating. It's tropical, and people are swimming down there, if you could see. And the only thing I wish that was down here is that there was more waves. But like I said, if you own a business, you don't have to pay for the fees. You can use it for vacation, take your family out, reinvest in your business, or whatever it is you want to do with it. It's way better than wasting it, paying it to the bank and getting nothing in return. So that's it. All right, that's it for now. Talk to you guys later. Adios.